umuntu kamfana nomntana wabo uMusamseleku Nyana. You can see them looking all beautiful. We can see Umakhwela looking beyond magnificent. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Banging TV. I hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend. Yes, we see here Umakhwela and Musamseleku. They just did a beautiful photo shoot. Maybe they were celebrating the birthday of the little one, we don't know, but they looked magnificent beyond this world. They were all in smiles. Even the little one, she looks so cute, so beautiful, with her pretty outfit matching her mommy, as we're all. They looked gorgeous. I'm sure they are doing a family photo shoot just before Christmas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.